Your phone buzzes. A payment went through that you do not recognize. Or worse, you sent money because someone scared you, rushed you, or sounded official. In that moment, your brain starts racing. Did I just lose everything? Am I going to be blamed? Is my identity next? Here's the truth most people do not hear fast enough. In the first 24 hours, there is one move that often decides whether your bank or app can still stop, reverse, or trace the money. And most victims miss it because they do the natural thing. They try to reason with the scammer. In a minute, I will tell you the exact move. But first, you need a simple checklist you can follow even if you are shaking. This is your scam recovery checklist for the first 24 hours. Simple, step by step, with real examples, so you can protect your money, your identity, and your peace of mind. Number 1. Stop the bleeding fast. The first goal is not to solve the whole mystery. The first goal is to stop more money from leaving. End contact immediately. Do not reply. Do not argue. Do not threaten. Block numbers, emails, and social accounts. If they can keep you talking, they can keep you paying. Example, a fake bank caller says, "Stay on the line while we secure your account." That is a trap. Hang up. Then call the number on the back of your card or the official bank website, not the number they gave you. Number 2, take control of your accounts in 10 minutes. Log into the account that was used and change the password right away. Then change the email password too, because your email is the master key to password resets. Turn on two-factor authentication wherever you can. Use an authenticator app if available, and avoid codes sent by text if you have that option. Example, if the scam happened through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, Apple ID, Google account, Amazon, or a bank login, secure that login first. If the scammer gets back in, they can undo your recovery steps. Number 3, make the one call that changes everything. This is the move people miss. Contact the payment company or bank immediately using the official number and report it as fraud. Ask them to freeze the transaction, recall it, cancel it, or open a dispute. Speed matters because many systems move money in waves, not instantly. The earlier you report, the more options they have. Example, if you sent money by wire or bank transfer, the bank may try a recall. If you used a debit card, they may open a claim. If you used a credit card, you may be able to dispute the charge. The same scam can have totally different outcomes based on how you paid. Number 4, write down a clean timeline while it is fresh. Your memory fades fast under stress. Open a Notes app and write a timeline. When contact started, what they claimed, what you clicked, what you paid, where you paid, and any names or account details used. Keep it simple and factual. This helps banks, platforms, and reports move faster. Example, 10:15 a.m. Call from number ending 4412. Claimed to be delivery company. Texted a link. I entered card details. 10:22 a.m. Charge posted for $489. That is gold for a fraud team. Number 5, preserve evidence without reopening the trap. Take screenshots of messages, payment confirmations, usernames, email headers, receipts, and the web address of any fake site. Save voicemails. If there's a fake website, do not keep clicking around. One screenshot is enough. If you downloaded anything, do not open it again. If the scammer used a fake support chat window, screenshot the whole page with the web address bar visible. If it was a marketplace scam, screenshot the listing, the profile, and the conversation. Number 6, if you shared card or bank details, replace them. If your card number was typed into a fake site, assume it is compromised. Ask your bank to cancel and reissue the card. If you shared bank account and routing numbers, ask your bank what protections apply and whether a new account number is needed. Example, you bought concert tickets from a link and typed in debit card info. Even if the first charge was small, the real danger is future charges. A new card number stops the next hit. Number 7, if you shared a code or let someone in,
Treat it like a break-in. If you gave a one-time passcode, that is often a sign your account was being taken over. If you installed remote access software or screen sharing, assume your device and logins are exposed. Disconnect the device from the internet, uninstall the remote tool, run a reputable security scan, and consider getting help from a trusted tech person. Example: a fake tech support agent asks you to install a remote app to refund you. They are not refunding you, they are taking control. The fix is to cut access first, then change passwords from a different, clean device. Number 8. Notify the platform where it happened. Report the user, account, or listing inside the app or website. Ask for the transaction ID, case number, and what steps they are taking. Some platforms can lock accounts, freeze funds, or flag recipient accounts when alerted quickly. Example: if it happened on Instagram, Facebook Marketplace, WhatsApp, Telegram, or a dating app, reporting can prevent the scammer from targeting the next person and creates a record that supports your claim. Number 9. Protect your identity with a credit freeze. If you shared your social security number, driver's license, or clear photos of your ID, assume identity theft is possible. Place a credit freeze with the major credit bureaus. A freeze blocks new credit from being opened in your name until you lift it. Also, pull your credit reports and scan for accounts you do not recognize.
Example: a fake job offer asks for your social security number and ID for onboarding. You later realize the company was fake. A credit freeze can stop a scammer from opening a new credit card in your name next week. Number 10. Watch for the second scam, the recovery scam. After a scam, a new scam often appears. Someone claims they can recover your money for a fee, or says they are a case manager from a government agency. Be careful. Real agencies do not charge you to get your money back, and they do not ask for gift cards, crypto, or secrecy. Example: you post online asking for help, and someone messages, "I can get your money back, just pay $150 up front." That is usually a second scam. Your next move should be to block and report, not to pay again. Number 11. Report it the right way, not the loudest way. Reporting helps create documentation and may unlock protections. File a report with the FTC at Report Fraud, and consider a local police report if you lost significant money or your identity details were taken. If the scam involved mail, report it to the Postal Inspection Service. If it involved investment or crypto promises, report it to your state securities regulator too. Example: if someone tricked you with a fake investment app that showed profits, reporting creates a paper trail. Even if you never see that scammer again, documentation can help if your identity is used later. Number 12. Tell your employer if work accounts were touched. If you clicked a link on a work device, entered work credentials, or sent a payment from a business account, tell your manager or IT department immediately. This is not about getting in trouble. It is about stopping the spread to coworkers and company systems. Example: a fake HR email asks you to log in to view a new policy. You typed your password. If you stay quiet, the scammer may use your account to email the whole company by morning. Number 13. Separate the feelings from the facts. Scammers are professional manipulators. They use urgency, fear, love, shame, and authority. Feeling embarrassed is normal, but it can make you delay the steps that protect you. The smartest thing you can do is treat it like a house leak. You do not argue with the water. You shut off the valve. Example: a romance scammer says, "If you loved me, you would not question this." That pressure is the scam. The facts are the payments, the access, and the accounts. Focus on the facts. Number 14. Build a 24-hour watch plan. For the next day, monitor accounts like a hawk, check bank and card transactions, turn on alerts for every purchase, watch your email for password reset messages. If you see new attempts, update passwords again and tell the bank. Example, you caught one unauthorized charge for $49 and disputed it. 2 hours later, a second attempt hits a different merchant. That pattern often means your details were sold or saved, and the fastest response can prevent a bigger hit overnight. Number 15, decide what to do if you cannot get money back. Sometimes recovery is possible, sometimes it is not, but even when money is gone, you can still win the bigger fight by protecting your identity and preventing repeat losses. If the amount is large, ask your bank what documentation they need, keep your case number, and follow up calmly and consistently. Save every email, keep your timeline updated. Example, if you paid by gift cards, banks usually cannot reverse that because gift cards act like cash once the code is used. That is painful, but you can still report the gift card numbers to the issuer, file fraud reports, freeze credit if personal info was shared, and stop the next scam from landing. Number 16, lock down your mobile number.
If the scam involved your phone service in any way, protect your number. Call your mobile carrier using the official support number and ask for a port-out lock or transfer lock. Add a strong account passcode with the carrier. This helps stop SIM swap attacks, where a scammer steals your phone number to intercept login codes. Example, you suddenly lose cell service and your bank passwords start getting reset. That can be a SIM swap. A carrier lock can stop the number from being moved to another phone. Number 17, check your email forwarding and filters. Scammers sometimes add sneaky rules to hide alerts. In your email settings, check for auto-forwarding addresses, filters, and rules that auto-delete or auto-archive messages from your bank, shopping sites, or password reset emails. Remove anything you did not create. Example, you never see bank alerts, but charges keep happening. Later, you find a filter that sends all bank emails to trash. That is a common takeover trick. Number 18, turn off saved payment methods and autopay. Go into your shopping accounts and wallets and remove saved cards you do not need. Pause autopay if you suspect the account is compromised. Then re-add payment methods only after passwords and two-factor authentication are secure. Example, a scammer gets into your online store account and uses your saved card to buy digital gift cards. Removing saved payment methods blocks that fast. Number 19, search for your info in data breach alerts. If you suspect your email or password was already exposed, check if your email appeared in a known breach using a reputable breach checker. If it was, assume that password is burned and change it everywhere it was reused. Use a password manager if you can. Example, you used the same password for your email and a shopping site years ago. The shopping site gets breached. Now a scammer tries that same password on your email. Unique passwords stop that chain reaction.
Number 20, review bank transfer permissions and linked accounts. In banking apps and payment apps, check what is linked. Look for unknown external bank accounts, unknown debit cards, unknown devices, or new payees. Remove anything you do not recognize. Ask the bank if any transfer limits can be temporarily lowered during the investigation. Example, you find a new bank account linked for instant transfers that you never added. That can be a sign a scammer prepared a second move. Number 21, secure your social media to stop impersonation. Scammers love to hijack or clone accounts, then message your friends for money. Change passwords, turn on two-factor authentication, review login devices, and remove suspicious third-party apps connected to your social accounts. Example, your friend gets a message from your account saying, "I am stuck, can you send $200?" Locking your account quickly can prevent your friends and family from becoming the next victims. Number 22. Tell key people before the scammer reaches them. If the scammer has your contacts, your social account, or your email, give a quick warning to the people most likely to get targeted. Keep it simple. If you get a weird message from me asking for money or codes, it is not me. Example: after an account takeover, scammers often message your closest contacts first because they trust you most. A fast warning can block that. Number 23. Verify your mailing address with the post office. If you shared personal details, check that your mail is safe. Consider using USPS informed delivery if available, so you can see what is coming. Watch for changes of address you did not request. Example: identity thieves sometimes reroute mail to steal new credit cards or bills. Catching a fake change of address early can stop a bigger mess. Number 24. If it was a gift card scam, report the codes immediately. If you paid with gift cards, act fast anyway. Contact the gift card issuer using the official number and report fraud. Provide receipt details and the card numbers. Sometimes funds are not fully drained right away, and quick reporting may help. Example: you bought store gift cards and read the codes over the phone. If you call the issuer immediately, there is a chance they can flag or freeze what is left. Number 25. If it was crypto, move remaining funds and secure keys. If you connected a wallet, approved a suspicious transaction, or shared seed words, treat it as urgent. Move any remaining funds to a new wallet with a new seed phrase. Never share seed phrases with anyone. Report the transaction to the exchange if you used one, and document the wallet addresses involved. Example: you clicked a link for an airdrop and approved a wallet permission. Minutes later, tokens start leaving your wallet. A new wallet and new seed phrase can protect what is still yours. Number 26. Make a one-page recovery folder. Create a simple folder on your device called Scam Recovery. Save your timeline, screenshots, case numbers, bank contact notes, and reports in one place. This keeps you organized when you are stressed and prevents repeating the story 10 times. Example: a bank asks, "What is the transaction ID and what date did you report it?" You can find it in seconds instead of panicking. Number 27. Set a follow-up schedule so your case does not die. Many people report fraud once, then wait. Instead, set a simple follow-up plan. Check in after 2 business days, then 1 week, then every week until resolution. Keep notes of who you spoke to and what they promised. Example: the first agent says it will be reviewed. Your follow-up call gets you the status, the next step, and sometimes a faster escalation. Number 28. Learn the red flags that prove it was a scam. This step helps you avoid the same trap tomorrow. Red flags include urgency, secrecy, threats, love bombing, act now, asking for codes, asking to move money to a safe account, asking you to pay to unlock a refund, and telling you not to contact your bank. Example: a caller says, "Do not tell the bank, they will slow this down." That line is not customer service. That line is control. You just did something most people do not do. You moved from panic to a plan. And that plan matters because scams are not just about money, they're about access, attention, and control. If this happened to you or someone close to you, what part was the hardest in the first 24 hours? Making the call, admitting it happened, or figuring out what to do first?